Coming across and looking at GC this morning. Let's just zoom this out to a 4-hour chart. So let's tidy this up. We had the 3 in the other day at the 1764, which is the recent low. This ABC pattern back for what I think is probably the 4. It might just be the A of it, but we're starting to track down here impulsively. I've got 1 to here, 2. I'm looking for this to let go and come on down to around 1167 next in GC, and then just coming down the time frames. If that's the 4, there's the 1, 2, 1, 2. I'll allow another 1, 2, but it should start to accelerate down. Otherwise, watch these retrace fibs on the hourly chart from 1179 to 1187 for a B wave at this 4, and we push up higher. The metals and the miners are in slightly different phases of their patterns in terms of degree of third hit down here, I think. But it does get difficult on the micro level. But either way, still looking for that 1149 in GC. And this is the substructure of the pattern down that I'm tracking. So I'm looking for this to drop down to 1185 next, and then hold for a 4, and so on and so forth in GC.